Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're doing it. We are building Zabu. Let's go! Okay, so we are here for the final event, the main event of our Build-A-Figure Marvel Zabu unboxing series. Okay, so we finally am able to complete all the buff parts coming from the 6 figures. Okay, so just to have a quick recap, we had to purchase Black Winter Thor, I think in Amazon. Okay, Wolfsbane and Kazar we purchased locally. The Red Widow and Icarus we have to purchase in an online store here locally as well. And then the Cable, we did not have to purchase him because we're able to get the buff part individually. Okay, so we've had a long journey. We've doubted ourselves whether we're gonna be able to make Zabu. So now we are going to make it. So Zabu, by the way, as you can see, is a saber-toothed tiger. Okay, so we have the body, the 4 legs, and the head. Okay, but before we get into that, let's do a quick look at Zabu in Heroclix form. Actually, there's no Heroclix of Zabu, but there's a Heroclix of his pal Kazar. Okay, so we have actually there's an older Kazar with Zabu here on the side. Okay, so but he's color brown, not yellow. Okay, but the latest Kazar for the Avengers Forever from the Avengers Forever set came with the Zabu bystander. Okay, so Zabu is, as you can see here, has the charge, blades, toughness, and battle fury standard powers, and a trait, loyal companion, which is free. Make a close attack but only to target a character that Kazar hit this turn. Okay, so as a saber-tooth tiger, Zabu has the capabilities of I guess super strength, okay, senses, and at the same time loyalty. Okay, so for this particular figure, I actually use a Mage Knight figure, a saber-tooth Mage Knight figure for a proxy of that particular Zabu. This is a Wear Saber-tooth, okay, because as I said, there's no Zabu figure in Heroclix. So perhaps in the future, we'll get Kazar once again, and probably, hopefully, we have Zabu now with his own scope. Okay, so and again, separate scope, not together with Kazar. Okay, this would have been a great Zabu scope. Okay. Anyway, let's jump into it. I don't want to delay anymore. So we have here the body, and it's tight. Okay, so we have some articulation in the tail. We have the right front leg. Let's check first. There you go. So let's snap it in. Okay, and then the left front leg, snap it in. Okay, it's all tight. And then we have the right rear leg. Okay, these things you don't have to force. You don't want to ruin your buff figure. This is the left rear leg. There you go. And finally, we have the head. There's also some articulation here. Okay, with the mouth, I like that. And snap it right there. Ooh. So there we have Zabu finally, Marvel Legends form. Okay. This is one of the buff that I really wanted for the longest time. I was even contemplating of just getting the entire buff figure built. meaning I buy the build buff figure, but I'm glad I was able to journey and build it myself. Okay, love the articulation on the legs and the paws. Okay, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, bye!